Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I'll pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, gonna go for a put here at 58.50. I'll keep a close eye on it. I will pause for now. I should also note I am doing options here. If you don't know what I mean by that, then let me know in the comments section. Just put guide, please, your option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through the terminologies and how this is all working. I know sometimes options have a reputation of being very complicated and advanced, and yes, they can be made that way, but they don't have to be, and I approach them and use them in a more simplified way. So if you like to approach things in a simple way, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, if you want to learn more about kind of what's going on here, how things are working, just let me know and I will link you to that guide. So that one I was going for never got enough of a bounce back up to get me filled, so I canceled that order out. So all right, I will pause. Well, I should probably be switching over here to maybe some calls here, so I'll keep an eye on it, but I'll pause. Have an order at 50.20 here for a call. At this point, let's actually go down to 49.50. Yeah, my entry point. Look at that, right off that blue line, which I drew, but unfortunately, I didn't quite have my entry point figured out at the right spot. Let's try 50.50 here. In at 50.50 for a call. And out there for a nice little $50 move. Very good. If this wants to come down some more, I'll be ready with my next entry point at 48. But I will go ahead and pause for now. Have an order at 53.50 here for a call. And well, it got close for a second. I'll pause. And just so you know, I am watching that number mainly. Want to see that number drop down to 53.50 and then see that white order there turn to green, which means I would have been filled. So that is the main number I'm watching right now. I will go ahead and pause though. Okay, I have an order at 53. Oh, it was so close. If you're watching that number, you would have noticed it got very, very close. But had to cancel it out, which is looking like the right move to do now. Bummer. All right, I'll look for potential consolidating around this area here. I'll pause. All right, gonna go for 52.50 here. For a call. Okay, in there at 52.50. And out for another quick little $50. Very good. Let that one consolidate out a little bit. So it worked out just fine. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, gonna go for a put here at 56.50. Got that. Again, put at 56.50. And out there for a quick little $50 move again. So just letting those $50 bills add up. You can see every trade I've taken, I don't think any one of them has lasted 10 seconds yet. And that's how I like it. So I will pause and I'll keep an eye out for another setup. Have an order at 51.50, in at 51.50 for a put. And out for another very fast $50 move. So 10, yeah, so about 48-ish. I'll throw that out there just in case it wants to spike up there again. Actually, let me move that up slightly more. Where is that? 12. So if it wants to get up to that blue line, I would be interested once again. I will go ahead and pause for now. But yeah, 4 fast trades, all under 10 seconds each, I think. So just letting those $50 bills add up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. I need to move on with my day. A little over an hour, up 200 bucks. Not sure of many places in the world where for an hour you can put 200 bucks in your pocket. And that's why I do this, one of many streams of income. I do this for the freedom of time. So no, I'm not going to get a private jet by making $200 in an hour, but I'm not after a private jet. I have other streams of income. I'm after this for the freedom of time. As a father of 6 kids, working from home, I want to spend time with them. I want to work on my real estate investing. I want to do whatever I want to do. And with the multiple streams of income, which I encourage you to also pursue, that's what happens. So yes, trading is, as I always just call it, a side hustle for me. One of my multiple streams of income. I'll stop saying that now. And it allows me to pursue and obtain that freedom of time. So and you know, in all actuality, even if you just made $50, I mean, $50 in an hour, don't look down on those results if that's what you got. I mean, I don't know of many people that make $50 in an hour. So just keep that in mind when you look at your results. I know it's easy to look around social media and think you're terrible because you're not pulling in huge numbers, but that's where social media really begins to distort the reality of the situation, because you would never walk up to somebody that makes $25 an hour and say, I made 50 bucks in an hour. I'm not very happy about it. Because that person would be like, wait, what? Wow, you're pretty greedy. I make 25 bucks an hour and you're complaining about making double what I make at 50 bucks an hour. So just keep that perspective in mind, and kind of a little mind trick to use, because I know it can be difficult. I'm no different when you look around and see big numbers and then think that you're not good or you're not doing it right and stuff like that. So just don't let yourself fall into those social media kind of mind games that can be played out there. So that's all I have for you. I'm moving on with the day. So 4 trades, all under 10 seconds. I like these kinds of trades. Very anticlimactic, in and out, and then can move on with my day. So thanks for watching. Take care. If you enjoy these, hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.